What's going on, Goatz? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're going to be talking about my X Concept Bay Optic headlights. Now, normally people would just buy the headlights, the whole headlight assembly from Bay Optics. I didn't have the bread to do that, so I bought the kit. Now, with the kit, you get the same thing that comes in the Bay Optic headlights. You just got to install it in your own headlights by yourself. I did hit up Denroy over at Inspire Lights, and he's the one that actually installed the entire kit for me, and they look fucking amazing. Now, just like everything else in life, there are pros and there are cons. In my sense, there's more cons than pros. But the headlights look fucking amazing. Like, no bullshit, the headlights look so good, but there's so many cons. So let's get into that. Oh, and by the way, if I look sweaty or if my shirt look out of ordinary, I just got back from the gym and I was hot as shit. So don't mind that. So the first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna get into the pros. The reason why, there's a lot less pros than cons. For real, there's only one pro. And the pro to these headlights is literally, they are good to show off your car. That's it. I don't wanna hear, if you go in the comments and tell me there's more pros, I don't give a fuck what you tell me, you're lying. The halos are not that bright. The halos is not as bright. No, the halos is literally the same brightness as your OEM. It's not that it's bright or anything like that. It's the same brightness. And when it comes to the output, you're literally using the same LED that's been in your headlight. None of that is changing. The LED that's been in your headlight, that's the same light you're using at nighttime. So literally nothing changes. I think the only other pro is the sequential turning signal, which I don't even have that. Like, I didn't even connect that shit because I want it to always be white. So fuck all that. We're not even looking at the pros. Let's look at the cons now. You see this right here? Y'all see this? That's the first con. There is no way, like, look, for example, if you buy the whole headlight assembly, I believe it's like $2,000 or something like that. If I'm buying $2,000 headlights, there's no way I'm be walking around with these every single time I need to turn my X lights on. This shit right here, that's annoying. Like, out of everything that pisses me off about the headlights, this comes in at number one. So let me give y'all an example, right? I turn the car on and I want my X to be on. If I want the X to be on, I literally have to use this remote, press the button to make them come on. And if I want them to be blue, I gotta press the B button. That to me is mad extra work for no reason. Like, there's no way it should be taking me that long just to get my X on. As soon as I turn the car on, it should come on. That actually leads me to the next con. This actually no longer works with your welcome lights. So on BMW, when you unlock the car, your halos usually come on to brighten up the front of the car, and then my door handles usually come on as well. With this kit, and I want you guys to understand, everything that's in my kit is literally in the full assembled kit. So everything I'm talking about, if you got a full assembled kit, you got the same fucking problem. Just putting that out there. But my welcome lights is no longer on the car. If I want to get the welcome lights where I turn, unlock the car and the lights come on, I got to get a whole welcome light wiring package from Bay Optics. Then I got to rewire from the front to the back. It's a whole lot of bullshit. Like, that pisses me off. I want to unlock my car and my lights come on. When I'm taking pictures of my car, that's a no-brainer. Like, unlock the car looks amazing. With this kit or any of the full assembled headlight that you buy from Bay Optics, once you get that and you install it in your car, you no longer have welcome lights. The lights, your halos only come on when the ignition of the car is on. So even if you're in accessory mode, it's not coming on. You have to turn the car fully on. Then when you turn the car off, it takes about 5 seconds. I say 5 seconds, and they completely shut off. That shit kills me, yo. Oh my God, a BMW looks so good when the welcome light comes on when you unlock the car. Right now, this shit look like trash. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. But that's besides the point. That's number two. So I remember number one, I told y'all that this was my number one issue. I want you guys to understand the difference of what I'm about to tell you guys. The con of having these all together is a problem to me, right? Here comes the second issue, right? My DRLs, the halos, they go from white to red. In order for it to go from white to red on both headlights, I have to press, I don't know if y'all can see that. I gotta press A first, the passenger side becomes red, then I press B, the driver's side become red. What? Bro, what? I gotta control each individual headlight to change it? Bro, it makes no fucking sense to me. Wow, so exactly what I was just telling you guys. In the making of this video, the right side of my headlight, look. The right side of my headlight don't even work. The driver's side, like, I'm pressing the button, that shit not coming on at all. Press the other button, look, it's going on, going off. This one, nothing. So the reason why I'm saying that if you guys have these, for me, I made it a little bit simpler. I wrote on the actual key fob to help me remember like what is for what. So it helps me a little bit because if I'm inside of the car, I can't see what's on the outside by pressing a button. It's gonna look weird as shit if I'm coming in the car, turning the car fully on, then running back the fuck outside, pressing the button, make sure the X is on, then run back inside to drive. That's a no-go. That's literally another con. If I'm inside the car and I have to press the button to put my X on or change the color of my halos, I can't even see what I'm doing. So I don't even know if the light is on, if the button actually read what I pressed. I don't know. I gotta come outside the car, see if it's actually on, to go back in. At that point, it looked like you're just trying to show everybody your headlights, which I am trying to show everybody my headlights, but I want it to be less conspicuous. Me doing that is outrageous. That's a no-go. But overall, I'm gonna tell you guys about the process. So the process of actually getting the headlights done, I wasn't there personally when Denroy was doing the headlights. I took the headlights out the car and I brought them to Denroy because I didn't want to leave the car there, and the car was also in the shop at the time. I took the headlights off, brought them over to Denroy, and it took him, what, I'll say 4 days? It took him about 4 days to get the headlights completely done, like actually taking it apart, installing the kit, and then reassembling the entire headlight. So 3 or 4 days, that's actually not bad at all. Now, I know a lot of you guys are gonna be asking me in the comments, because I'm already getting it on Instagram. How much did you pay? How much did it cost to put them in? This, that, the third. When it comes to labor, it's different from everybody and every car. So what I would recommend you doing, go downstairs, look at the description, and hit up Inspire Lights. Let him know that DJ sent you and ask him for a quote. He literally does every car under the sun. You have a Mopar, he does it. You have a Mustang, he does it. Any European car, any GDM car, any American car, he does it. He even does Teslas. Bro, this man is amazing at what he does. So hit him up, let him know I sent you. He probably give you a discount just to know that you're coming from me. And then you can get a price on that. As for the kit from Bay Optics, I think the entire kit cost me like $600, and that came with the X version, or the X concepts, the halos, and the controllers, and the wiring. It literally comes with everything you need. It's $600. So altogether, all in all, I can tell you this: if you buy a full kit, like a full assembled headlight from Bay Optics, I believe it's correct me if I'm wrong, I think it's like $1,500 to $2,000, and that's if you send in your core. Altogether, overall, buying the kit and giving it to Denroy to do it, I'll give you guys this much: it was less than $1,500. Now I do want to put this out there: by you guys going that route, understand, if you guys take it to an installer or you install it yourself, you do come into the fact of messing up your headlights. So what I would recommend doing, taking it to somebody that is a professional and letting them do it, and they will be able to fix any mess up that they do. Yeah, because I ain't gonna lie to y'all, if I did that shit myself, I would have fucked those headlights up. And if you guys don't know, if you got any 3 Series or M3, the headlights, just OEM headlights, is about no, I'm lying. They're like $1,500 or $2,000 for the pair, some shit like that. It's some outrageous number. So make sure you take it to somebody that is a professional when it comes to installing the lights. Don't do that shit yourself, because you're gonna get fucked, and that's real talk. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, what I want for you guys to do, go downstairs, hit that like button. Don't forget to comment and subscribe if you haven't already. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram at isthatdj. Also, guys, we are on the road to 2,000 subscribers. I want to thank y'all. Y'all real as shit. Y'all was really fucking with that last video. The last video when I picked up the car, you guys are really enjoying that content. So just know there's more to come, because I have a lot more to do to the car. So stay tuned for that as well. But I got a lot of new followers since then. So if you guys are new to the channel, go back, watch some new videos, follow me on Instagram. If you like the videos, like I said, comment below what you like. And if you guys want to see something particular, comment below as well, so I know what you want to see. With that being said, I hope to see you guys in the next video. Peace.